Does this sound familiar? You want realtor referral partners, but realtors don't return your calls. Realtors have been giving their referrals to the same MLOs for years, and all other MLOs are competing for the same local realtors as you are. You've heard the saying, doing the same thing over and over again while expecting different results is the very definition of insanity. Do you honestly enjoy spending hours every day or week cold calling, going on donut runs? There must be a better way. What if you could leverage your already happy clients and realtor partners to generate even more business for you? What if you had realtors contacting you for a change? What if those realtors come ready to start trusting you with their client loans? What if you could literally guarantee more customers and 3 new referral partners every single month? What if it all ran on autopilot so that you can focus on your loans? Stop and think for a moment. What would this really mean for your business if you didn't have to go chasing after realtors all the time? Now here's a big idea. Build a new realtor referral acquisition machine that runs on autopilot, dramatically boosting your online reputation as the #1 mortgage lender in your local area. Using client reviews from previous and existing clients just sitting in your database. Building this referral acquisition machine will require 3 elements. First, you need a proven blueprint developed by an expert marketer. Next, your database of new and past client and referral partners. And most importantly, a very cool system that ties it all together and sends it out on autopilot. Here's how it works. First step is to set it up and send out a review request to your contacts. We make it super easy to set up automated emails and text messages to customers you have assisted in the past, as well as new clients you're currently working with. Here's what will happen as your online reputation consistently grows. New customers who are searching online for a lender will read your reviews and contact you directly. Those customers will send you referrals from family and friends. Some of those new customers will already have realtors working with them, giving you the chance to develop those realtors as referral partners. And as more reviews come in, you continue to build your reputation as the leading local lender. Now you're generating new business and referrals, closing more loans, adding new realtor partners, and building up your social proof as a #1 lender in your city. Real Leads Finder Pro works with mortgage loan officers and real estate agents to acquire more referral business. The more reviews you can generate over time, the higher Google will place your business listing in search results because they see more activity engaging with your Google listing. The Real Leads Finder Pro system is packed with advanced tools, templates, and pre-built automations ready for you. Using our free mobile app, you can easily track, manage, and reply to all incoming online chats, social media messages, and email campaigns. The app displays your opportunities, pipeline value, and conversion rate. Keep track of your tasks and average review ratings. Using Real Leads Finder Pro tools, you can control every aspect of your own marketing. Stop paying for a la carte tools when you can grab it all in one place for less. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more new videos and marketing tips.